Before Sigma School, I was just a normal student, just going to class and learning business and all. But then I think what changed was when after I did my internship, I realized it wasn't for me because I think it was too business for me. I don't know. I
Right.
just couldn't stand the 9 to 5 thingy. Yeah. So I think when I did like a feedback review with my supervisor, she said that she can see that like I'm not enjoying what I do. So she encouraged me to find something that I like. So yeah, that's when I start experimenting and I figured like, oh, maybe coding is for me. So I try to find, you know, something that can help me like a boot camp. So yeah, that's where I found Sigma School. Well, I know like I could do like the data analytics thingy, but I don't know, maybe because I'm more like a creative person also, but I also like to challenge myself by doing all the critical thinking stuff. So yeah, I actually started coding using the um, Java's HTML and CSS, and I liked it very much. And then I also tried doing the Google data analytic course, but I didn't really like it. So I want I want to find like a job here in Germany because the pay and all. So yeah, but I I don't know. I hope like I can find a job here because as far as I know, like from what I researched lah, they say like Germany is very strict on like having the certificate from a university and all. But I hope I can do this. Yeah. Well, number one factor is of course the cost lah because
Mm.
in Germany I also surveyed the price. It's basically 10k euros, like times 5 of Malaysian
Oh my.
ringgit. And then well, Sigma School, it's 10,000 ringgit. So yeah, I guess there's more value in it lah because. And also, I would prefer an online boot camp because in Germany they do the on-site boot camp. So yeah, online boot camps for me are pretty rare. Of course, the time
Yeah.
zone. Yeah, I have to wake up at 2:30. Oh my god. Yeah, and then maybe the intense, intensity. Like I have to code every day, which I have to also balance with my other commitments. So that was pretty hard. That is pretty hard. It's pretty positive because I really like since I changed to full time, it's really been good because the instructor, I really like MJ because he tries his best to teach us. Yeah.